I just dropped it in my hair. I
Oh,
don't want
no.
it to drop on the floor because I want to eat
No.
it. You know, people always ask, like, what's the one thing from your childhood that's like your ultimate comfort food? And it's no doubt this. And I love that it's just 2 ingredients, but it's so good. You can make so much of it.
And I think it tastes even better. You leave it overnight.
I have tried to make this dish so many times. So I need you to just like teach me your Jedi tricks.
I'll try. And this is something I've never seen very many people do is
I've never heard of that before.
growing up, when you have 8 kids that you got to feed, you got to find a cheap way to feed them. Take some of that off the bottom and pick it up and eat it like potato chips.
Yeah.
It's really good.
I feel like if you're gonna go this far, like don't give up now.
Right. Now you're making me hungry. I'm gonna have to go
I know,
downstairs.
I'm here to eat with me. All right, you think I'm ready?
That was probably the best batch that I ever made. Yeah, I learned all my cooking and being hungry enough that I would stand around the stove and watch my sisters and my mom cook.
All right. But I wish you were here with me. There's so much more flavor in here than you would think.
I can almost taste it.
How did I do?
It looks good. But does it taste the same as mine?